Today we're going to be learning about pattern in art. Pattern is anything that repeats itself. So in art, it's talking about designs or lines that repeat, like straight lines or squiggle lines, or it could be shapes that repeat, like if you had a triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle. So anything that repeats is a pattern. So the book we're going to read is called Stripey Tiger Pattern Book. Stripes. Stripey tiger sets sail in a stripey boat. Spots. He dives down in a spotted submarine. Triangles. He camps in a triangular teepee. Squares. All aboard. Swirls. He flies high up in a swirly balloon. Stars. He zooms through the starry sky. Good night, Stripey Tiger. So here's the patterns that were in the book: stripes, spots, triangles, stars, swirls, and squares. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to make a pattern artwork. So we're going to need a piece of paper. You can do this in your sketchbook or you can do it on a blank piece of paper. We're going to draw a line down the middle. Then we're going to draw another line down the side here. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares on our paper. Now inside of each square, we're going to do a different pattern. So this is where you can choose whatever pattern you want. So I'm going to make one of my patterns stripes. So I started mine in the corner, and I'm just going to make them repeat. So my lines are repeating all the way across to the corner. Then maybe down here I would like to have some hearts. So I'm going to have hearts all over the page here. And they can be big and small, as long as you're using the same thing to repeat over and over. And then over here, I'm going to do some zigzags. Okay. Now in my last one, I'm going to do a pattern of shapes. So I'm doing triangle, circle, and I'm just repeating that. So you can do whatever kind of patterns you want in your squares. And then when you're done drawing them, you can color it. You can color in a pattern. You might want your pattern to be like, I could do red and blue, red, blue, red, blue. So you can color in a pattern, or you can make it really colorful. That's going to be totally up to you. Post your picture on Seesaw.